Salamat. Alright. Ang bilis mo ha. Grabe oh. Kaya nga nagulat ako eh. Sabi ko, andun na. Good job kuya. Thank you. Yan po. Down. Pwede magpang-put po. Straddle. Okay. Swipe the side stand. Check side mirrors. And then head check. Clutch in. This is our takeoff. Head check, yes. To make sure na alam mo yung surrounding mo.
Okay.
Yeah, kasi may blind side to eh.
Okay.
Alright, may blind side yan. Kaya you have to have a physical head check. Ganun din, you're gonna change lane. Kunyari, magra-right turn ka, ma-under ka, check mo yung side mirror, quick head check before committing to changing your lane. Pero nauuna yung signal light. Okay? Because there's blind side. Ngayon, kung may sasakyan na hindi mo nakita, but nakita mo na nag-head check ka, hindi mo siya nakita ng side mirror, then yield. Slow down, let the vehicle overtake you, tapos pagka-clear, tsaka ka mag-change lane. But always be diligent in using the side mirrors. Okay, so head check. Ito yung take-off position. Left foot down. Meaning, naka-first gear, I'm ready to take off. Now, if I go to neutral, and then I'm now applying front brake, this is your resting position. Kabila. Yung bike, hindi siya gumagalaw kahit naka-neutral kasi naka-front brake ako. Now, if I go clutch in, one down, naka-rear brake naman ako ngayon. So, kahit bitawan ko tong throttle hand ko, hindi gumagalaw yung bike. Naka-first gear ako kasi naka-rear brake. Ito yung ngayon yung take-off position. Okay, so from here, head check. Release the rear brake, biting point. If I'm gonna turn, see? Turn. So now, naka-direct steer siya. Pero I'm also applying counter steer. Tignan mo, kina-counter ko. Tinutulak ko the other way, yung manibela. The bike is turning left, but I'm pushing the handlebars to the right. Now, this one, the bike is turning right, but I'm pushing the handlebars to the left. Yan yung counter steer. I'm combining both direct and counter steer. Okay? Nakikita mo, if umaalangan ka, baba mo yung paa mo. You don't need to stop or what. Kasi fino-full lock ko siya eh. Pero sir, hindi mangyayari sa'yo yun. Kasi this is how you will do it. Both hands on the handlebar. Lean forward. Yan. This is what you'll do. Tignan mo yung ulo ko. Left. Turn left. Okay? I'm leaning forward. My elbows are bent. I'm using my body to turn the bike. Pero wala akong throttle. Ganun din yun eh. Kahit hawakan ko ng isang kamay, pinapakita ko lang na you don't need to struggle the handlebar. You don't need to hold the handlebar heavy. Okay? Magaan lang yung hawak natin sa handlebar. Even with just one digit, one finger, handlebar will turn. Pero sa'yo, mamaya, two hands. Kita mo, it's wide. Elbows are bent. Okay? Wala pa tong throttle. Pero what I want you to do is you're gonna go there and you're gonna do the same thing. Just practice your circles. Practice this position. Be comfortable. Halos wala kang control. Meaning you're not manipulating any control. Right? You're not manipulating any physical control. Pero ang pinaka-control ng bike is you. Kasi like ako yung rider ng bike eh. I'm the control of the bike. Right? So kahit na even if I'm not doing any brake, hindi ako naka-clutch, hindi ako naka-throttle, how I manipulate my body controls the bike. Yun yung control. Okay, meaning control meaning I'm referring to like the kill switch, you know, like a physical control. Dahil wala tayong ginagamit or minamanipulate na physical control, our body becomes the control.
Parang yung weight. Pag
Yes. Di ba nakita mo yung ano, turn right, look right, turn the handlebar right, lean forward, bend your elbows, yung position ng kamay natin medyo nasa labas. I did not use the brake, I did not use the throttle, I just used my body.
Paano yung stop?
Pagka magsa-stop ka, clutch in, and then rear brake.
Rear brake.
Yeah. Because you're moving slow.
Kapag yung count, bago sa akin yung count.
Sure, na-notice mo, when I stop, it's very smooth. Parang I'm challenging myself to stop the bike in the smoothest way that I can. Right. There's no abruptness. Tsaka I take my time. Kaya hindi ako naglagay ng markings eh. So that when you start to engine brake and then apply brakes, napansin mo I had one finger on the front. I was applying maybe 5%, 10%. Ganun ka-precise. I was applying around 10% rear brake. Pagka magsa-stop na yung bike, magka-clutch in ako to smoothen and to prevent the bike from stalling, and then left foot down as smoothly as possible. It wasn't di ba, hindi ko ginamit yung brake to abruptly stop the bike. Very talagang ang tip na mabibigay ko sa iyo, maaga pa lang mag-engine brake ka na, control mo na. Kasi if you're gonna brake a few feet before your stopping point, it's not gonna be smooth. Diba? So malayo pa lang, anticipate. And then I don't know if you noticed, when I was stopping, where was I looking? I was looking straight ahead. When I was stopping, where was I looking? I was looking straight ahead. Ano sa tingin mo yung reason, sir, why pagka magsa-stop yung bike, you look straight ahead as far as you can?
No idea.
So that your balance is 100%.
Oh, so precision na lang yun.
Kasi if I'm looking here, then I'm looking there, nawawala yung space, yung depth and space perception ko. But if I'm looking far, alam ko yung the space where I am. It allows me to be level, and it allows my body to have the best balance that I can. Kasi imagine mabigat motor mo.